Hello. So this video is going to be on adding stuff to the menu or the navigation panel, whatever you want to call it. So I'll be adding the page we just created, the training guide sample page that we just did in Elementor. So I'll show that as an example. So currently I'm on the dashboard. As usual, you want to scroll down to Appearance, and then you want to go to Menus. So we'll wait for it to load, and should be loading here soon. All right, so the menu we want to always edit is the main menu. In case it's not default selected by default, you want to go over here and select main menu. You definitely don't want to touch any of these because they're not relevant at the moment. So main menu, and then you can see this is the home, this is the COVID-19 tab with the sub tabs here. Here's the about with the sub tabs here with the about page, and then these all correspond properly to the tabs that are on the navigation panel. Now, if I want to add, say, for example, I want to add, I don't know, the page we just created to the about page. I want to add it as a sublink, or let's just do a main link. So I want to add the page as a main link to our navigation panel. So what I can do is I can go to most recent, and since we just created it, it's right here. We can select this and click add to menu, and it's going to add it to the bottom of the menu here. So it's right here. You can drag it. Say I wanted between contact and K-12. I'm going to put it there, and we're going to click save, and let's see what that did. So I saved it, and it's been saved. Let's visit site. And it's right there. So as you can see, since it's such a long tab name, it's messing with the layout and everything. So I'd recommend never to have more than 7 tabs, including the shop here. So that's 8. Otherwise, it's going to mess with the formatting, and you don't really want to deal with that. So 7 tabs is enough in general for having all your stuff. And if you want more area, you put it in a sub tab. So let's do that now. Say I want to put the training video sample page under K-12 and put it as one of these drop downs. Let's go back and do that. So here's a shortcut. You can hover here and go to menus instead of going to the dashboard first. So now we're in the menus, and where is our thing? Here it is. So let's say I want to put it between audio exercises and virtual reality. We can do that. Save menu once again. And make sure it's indented properly. As a sub tab, you can see there's a little indent to the little sub tabs, and then there's no indent to the main tabs. So that's definitely something you want to keep in mind. So let's see how this looks once it has been saved. Okay, there we go. It has saved. Now let's visit site. Check it out. Now I believe we put it under K-12, right? Yes, it's right here. So here, the training video sample page, it shows up perfectly. So now we're going to delete that because that was just a practice. We're going to make sure when you're editing anything, it's very important to save menu. This button's kind of out of the way, and it's not very intuitive to click it. So you must make sure that you delete the thing like this, and then you save the menu, and yeah, you should be good to go.